Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Tech. Myself Amir Nazir, and in this video I will tell you about industrial process of CIP. Here we will discuss that what is CIP, what parameters are used in CIP, what kind of equipments are used in CIP, and how the CIP process is done. And finally, we will talk about advantage of CIP. Let's see what is CIP. CIP, like cleaning in place, is a chemical cleaning method which is mostly used in liquid food processing industries for the cleaning of their machines without dismantling the parts of machinery. Because all the parts are clean at their relevant places without displacing them. So this is the highly beneficial type of cleaning, as the cleaning liquid is circulated in the different parts of a closed system. So this result in better cleaning with less use of cleaning liquid and less wear and tear of different parts of the machines, because there is no need of dismantling the parts, so less wear and tear and less chances of breakage. CIP mostly done in continuous production after 48 hours. But in case of violation of aseptic conditions during the production, we can also done CIP after 20 to 24 hours after batch production and before starting a new production. Here is the CIP management panel, where we can control the amount of raw water at ambient temperature, hot water at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, caustic concentration at 85 to 90 degrees Celsius, and nitric acid at 70 to 75 degrees Celsius. So this will discuss in detail in CIP process. So let's see the method of CIP. CIP is carried out according to the schedule like TBA 19A, TBA 19B, and TBA 19C. These are the names of machines. So this is a routine process in food processing industries which is mostly done after the production. Now we will discuss about the parameters of CIP. There are different parameters of CIP like time, temperature, titration, turbulence, and liquid pressure. Time, like for how long we will carry out the CIP process, at what temperature this process will carried out, at what concentration, at what speed, and what pressure we will use for CIP process to continue. So all the parameters should be according to the CIP schedule. CIP process is very important after finishing one production and before starting a new production. Otherwise, as you know, bacteria and other microbes will produce and they will cause the spoilage of production. So in order to reduce or prevent the spoilage of production, we must have to use CIP after completion of production. So now we'll see the CIP equipments. In order to continue the CIP process, we need different equipments like a stainless steel centrifugal pump having capacity greater than 8,000 liters per hour, and pressure, we will use the pressure at 3 bar. Then stainless steel tanks having capacity 150 liter, and thermometer used in order to check the temperature of water. So now let's move to the CIP procedure or CIP process. So first of all, the system like filler, pipelines, and pasteurizer, which we have to clean, that is flushed or rinsed by simple water at 32 to 36 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. So this is done usually in order to lose the residues of the product that have been sticked to the walls of the pipeline. So after loosen the residues of the product, this simple water should be drained and then add fresh water and heat it for 5 minutes in order to attain the water temperature 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. So when we attain the water temperature 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, this hot water we have to circulate throughout the system for 10 minutes in order to remove the sugar particles from the pipeline. So after removing sugar particles from the pipeline, we have to use caustic solution having concentration 1.5 to 2%, which will circulated at 80 to 90 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes so that we can remove calories of fats and proteins. So after removing calories of fats and proteins, the residues of caustic will remain inside the system. So in order to remove or reduces the caustic residues, we have to use again the simple water at ambient temperature and will circulate throughout the system again for 10 minutes. After reducing caustic residues, then we will use nitric acid concentration at 0.75 to 1%. So this solution then will circulate throughout the pipes at a temperature of 70 to 75 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes so that all the salts and minerals from the pipeline should be removed. So in order to reduces or removes the remaining residues of cleaning liquid like nitric acid, then finally we have to rinse the pipelines with simple water for 20 minutes. So this is the simple CIP process which is mostly used in industries like Shazan International Private Limited use this process for the cleaning of their equipments. Now at last we will talk about advantages of CIP. There are many advantages of CIP from which some are given here. As you know that cleaning in place is done in the closed system, so it uses less amount of cleaning liquid, hence it is a cost effective method. As it is done in a closed system, so there is a less chances of contamination, and also it have less wear and tear because there is no need of dismantling parts. So these are the some advantages of CIP. Hope you like the video, guys, and if you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon in order to get more updates regarding food technology, food processing, food preservation and meat technology. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.